Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening services. MSC as administrator and locating Windows Update. This is the control point. Once there, verify background intelligent transfer service and cryptographic services are running because they support downloads and signature checks. Make a quick restore point now so you can undo changes. If a service is stopped, right-click and choose Start. If it won't start, set startup type to automatic or manual temporarily. These steps prepare the system for the deeper fixes that follow. Next, open an elevated command prompt and stop WUAServe, bits, and crypts to safely reset files. Once stopped, rename the software distribution and catroot 2 folders to software distribution. Old and catroot 2. Old so Windows rebuilds them without old cache conflicts. After renaming, restart those services and trigger an immediate scan with WUACult/detectno or UseAClient start scan, depending on your Windows version. This clears corruption in the update cache and forces the system to finish, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter and then check for and install pending updates. This often completes repair automatically. If issues remain, run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption. After those commands, reboot and recheck updates. If you still see failures, open Event Viewer or review Windows Update. Log for specific error codes. Note the code, then search targeted fixes, or use the Microsoft Update Catalog to manually install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.